Guys, check it out. Yep, see, we got some stuff missing. Uh-oh, and the forklift leaking. We gotta fix it. What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another video. The video, finally, that I've been waiting to do, because my forklift, you guys know the tires were just horrible. Big shout out to the Forklift tire guy. If you need their info or need their tire services, give them a call. They actually comes to you. Look at that. It came to me. Came with this trailer. Came with this massive, I don't know what this thing. It looks like it's just a huge press. That, I mean, that looks pretty awesome. That's some serious equipment right there. Also, big shout out to Armando. Armando, right? Yeah. Armando for coming out here and swapping out these tires. Check it out, guys. So we're going with, what are we doing, Armando? We're doing the Toyo MT 35 1250 20.
No, we're putting 40s on.
40, there we go. Look at that, guys. Look at that. It did?
Like the older ones, they come off hard.
So, now, jack wise, are you just using, I mean, I'm sure it's not just any regular jack. What is it, like a 6-ton or?
No, I think it goes up to 8,000 pounds. Lifts up.
Oh, okay.
I think it's a.
So 4-ton?
Yeah, it's a 4-ton jack, I think.
4-ton, yeah, if it's 8,000. That's awesome, man. So, you just lift the back and then these, oh, they got bearings in them.
Yeah, they got bearings. And they have this to lock the nut. Well, it's not really a nut, but you locked it.
Yeah, oh, it's just one big solid.
Yeah.
Okay, all right. It's got a cap. So now, do you got to pull these off and repack them?
Put the grease, yeah. Oh, okay. Yeah, it depends. Yeah, if there's no grease, then yeah, you gotta put the grease on.
Okay, okay.
Yeah, because you have two. You have this one, and you have another one inside.
Inner and then outer.
Yeah.
Okay, all right. So Armando came, guys, to put some tires on, and yes, I did check pricing. I will say it even in front of Armando. They had the best pricing, and the thing I'll pay a little more extra for is customer service. I was talking to this guy till like 10:30, 11 o'clock at night on Instagram. So I mean, he gave me an estimate. Here's his phone number. And what's your Instagram? And you have a business Instagram, right?
Well, the Instagram's Forklift.tires.
Forklift.
And then my Instagram, it's well, people go either by two ways, which is Mondo G7G.
Okay.
Or Mondog 7G.
Okay, so I will put their link, guys, to both of his and his company down in the description for you guys. But check this out. Look at this tire.
You want to lift why it's so heavy?
Why it's so heavy?
Yeah, the whole forklift. This is one piece.
Wow, how much does that thing probably weigh?
Probably like maybe 40,
50 pounds. Yeah, damn, sounds heavy.
Yeah, the phones are heavier.
Wow, that's crazy.
But yeah, I got one off already.
Let's check it out. Look at this, guys. Look at that. How does everything look? Good?
Yeah, it's good.
Yeah, looks good to me.
Yeah, let's put some grease.
I don't know much about forklift, but looks good. All right.
Yeah, so everything's good.
Perfect. And then here is the tire that I'm putting on here, guys. I don't know, is there a specific, like, what is the advantages? Holy shit, even the tire. Wow. What are the advantages to having just like a smooth tire to having some tread on it like this?
Well, usually I recommend smooth on like if it's using like indoors, like at warehouses.
Okay.
But if you're gonna be using like outside, I recommend traction.
Okay, yeah, mine's mainly just out here, you know, and you can see I got some rocks and stuff out here, so
yeah,
it's not warehouse use.
Yeah.
Okay, all right.
Nice.
All right, so there you go, guys. If you're using a warehouse, I guess you can use a smoothie, but
yeah, if you look over here, this one's smooth.
Oh, okay. Oh, wow, damn, yeah, that's really smooth. Gee, that's got no track. So, but why would anybody want a smooth, tire for a warehouse? Why wouldn't you want a little traction? I mean, is there an advantage to it being smooth, being you're only in a warehouse?
Well, usually it's a little bit smoother, right?
Okay.
Sometimes, like at the warehouses, like if I put traction, like when I'm going up the ramps, I'll grab and I'll cut the tire.
Oh.
So that's why we recommend smooth tires on the warehouses.
Okay. All right, guys. Well, there you go. That's why I didn't go smooth. I went with the MTs and to have some traction out here. Just took this one off, guys, and look at this. What the hell? What is that? Rope string wrapped around in there? What in the hell? That's no bueno. No bueno right there, my friend. All right, check it out now, guys. He's going to take this massive press, and I don't know the procedure, but Armando's going to come show us and tell us this procedure here. But this just looks crazy. I mean, look at this. Look just the amount of metal that's in here.
So what's going to happen is that the old one's sitting on the stand, so it's on the wheel. So what's gonna happen? The new one's gonna push the old one out. So it's gonna take about like, I'll say maybe like 4,000 pounds to press.
Oh my god.
It's kind of a little bit.
Wow.
Like the pro ones, you're talking about like 7,000-8,000 pounds.
7,000-8,000 pounds to press it. Holy wow.
And then with these, you gotta make sure everything's lined up perfect, because instead of the tires, it's a metal band. So if you do it a little bit crooked, you can mess up the new one.
Oh shit. Wow. Okay, guys. Well, let's see what Armando does over here.
It might pop loud.
Okay, no problem. I'm gonna put the GoPro down right here for you guys, and I'm gonna walk away. There you go. Huh? Yeah, I'm gonna walk away. I'm gonna leave the GoPro there. There it is, guys. Just like that. Look at that. I thought Armando was gonna here do some work. He didn't even work. He just pushed the button. That thing did it all for him. That thing is awesome. Look at that. It literally took like less than a minute. Press those things on, press them off, and presto bam, just like that. That's insane. I can't believe how heavy this tire is, guys. This thing, I mean, it like weighs more than my damn 37 with this rim on it. It is insane how heavy this thing is. Just solid metal, solid rubber. Now I know, like, when they say these things are 8,000 pounds, and you know, you can tell when you start working on this thing. Like when he's working on it, I can see every little bit starts adding up. Everything on it is just so heavy. And then Armando said this thing was like, what'd you say? This front is like almost 2,000 pounds.
The front, the mass.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's about 2,000 pounds.
Gosh, that's crazy, guys. And look at that, strings coming out of there. That's nuts. Yeah, I was looking at the welds. I'm like, look at these welds. That's crazy. Well, look at him, man. He's pulling string out and stuff. I don't know what happened in there. A string got in there. How does everything look overall? Good?
Yeah, I'm putting some grease on it on the bearings.
Okay.
And then, yeah, you're good to go.
Okay, good. All right, can't wait to test this thing out.
Oh, yeah,
Even
you're gonna feel a big difference in between.
Yeah. Okay. Put some armor all on them, make them nice and shiny, and I don't like how dull they are, you know, like nice and...
I got you the hookup.
There you go. All right, perfect.
The tire's all shiny.
Yeah, there you go. Don't worry, guys. This thing's gonna be all repainted. We're gonna make it look like brand new. Like this, you know, this is not up to my level. This thing is dirty looking. Look at all these scratches on it. We're gonna have to sand it, strip it. Wait till you see the exhaust I'm gonna put on this thing. Ooh, baby. So is there like any real maintenance on this thing?
What do you mean,
like tire wise, or I mean that's it. Once you put them on, we're pretty much done, right?
Yeah,
it's not real. Yeah, there's no.
You gotta mix them the bearings. They have grease.
Okay.
And that's it. Just put everything back together.
Okay. All right. Now I noticed there's a grease fitting up top there. How the hell do they expect you to grease that thing right on top of the? It looks like control arm. The very top of it, right over here. Right there.
Oh, this?
Yeah. How the hell do they expect you to grease that thing if a tire's on?
You gotta take it off.
Really?
Yeah,
oh my god. Okay, well, it's a shitty design. Okay. All right.
Yeah, because everything's all covered up. That's why.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying. It's covered. How do they expect you to get anything in there?
Yeah, you gotta take the tire off, everything off.
Okay. Well, there you go, guys. So here's an interesting fact, guys. Something that I think is good to know. So I told him where these tires come from. I'm sure they're all just China, right? He said, believe it or not, no. China's are the worst. These tires are from, where'd you say? Sri Lanka?
Yeah, Sri Lanka. It's right here.
Right here. Made in, I don't know if you guys can, I don't know if you can see that. Sri Lanka. Never even heard of that. That's in Africa, right?
Yeah, Africa.
Okay, and then the bigger forklift, you said they come from where?
Taiwan.
Taiwan.
Yeah.
Okay. All right, guys.
This one's right here too.
It's a what?
I mean, not Taiwan.
Oh, that's a
Sri Lanka.
Sri Lanka. Okay, all right. So if you got some Sri Lanka or Taiwan tires, and you're good to go. It's the best. According to Armando, that's the best rubber. All right. So I thought everything was just China.
Oh,
that's good.
One.
Yeah, that's the worst one, he says. So that's good to know. Check out Mondo's truck if you guys are interested. He's got the GMC old Dirty Max over here, L5P, by the way. I saw the hood scoop on there. What's looking like a little fender flare, I think. I'm not sure. I think, yeah, they're fender flares, you call them. Add a little aftermarket. Look at that. I gotta say, boys, GMC does look good. You can't doubt that for sure. He's got some moto metal rims with some tires. What do we got here? What size tires is old Mondo running? 275, 65, 20. Well, gotta say, looks good. Now, you guys know one thing about me. I can't stand anything dirty, and especially new tires. I mean, it doesn't look new, so Mondo's gonna bust out some of the good stuff for me. So, oh damn, what is that? Oh shit, whoa, boy, what do we got going on? What the? Meguiar's Hot Shine Foam. All right, okay. Look at that. There we go. Ah, now you're talking my language, guys. See that? I gotta have my stuff looking clean. You gotta have your stuff looking good. Also, I would assume, you know, it's gotta have something to protect the rubber. That's the main thing, guys. Why I like to put Armor All, not just any Armor All, maybe to protect the rubber. You know, to get some of it soaking in, so it doesn't look dry and, you know, nasty looking. But I guess let's see how this stuff works. So you just put it on with a towel and that's it?
Yeah, just wait for like a few seconds so it goes into the rubber.
Okay. So now, is that like a conditioner too? I assume, is that why you just pulled it out of your truck? Or what? I'm wondering why you got that in there.
No, usually I keep it on the side.
But what do you use it for? Is it mainly for this or?
Yeah, for this. Because sometimes from the warehouse they come dirty. So usually when I put them in the machine, I just clean them up and that's it, make it all shiny.
Ah, okay, okay. Nice. Oh, there we go. Look at that, guys.
Perfect for Eddie.
That's right. There we go. Oh man, look at that. That's what I'm talking about. I don't like my stuff dirty, guys. This bothers me. That's why I can't wait to get this thing all done, painted up. Got to get some new, you know, fresh stickers on it. Make it just look good, you know, look presentable. It don't look presentable. I don't know. And I know you guys are in the comment section. You're just going to go crazy right now. But you know what? I'm doing it for all the haters right there. So for all you haters that are going to say, it's a forklift, it's made to do this, yada, yada. Yeah, whatever. You know what? I still like my stuff looking clean. Look at that.
Look at that. All black.
And Armando understands that clearly. Look at that. That's a tire.
I'm like you with my truck.
Yeah, man. You gotta clean your stuff. I understand some people, they don't like clean, man. You know what? It is what it is. But I like my stuff clean. First test drive, guys. Oh man, look at that. Man, this thing's like a Cadillac now, dude. This thing is awesome. It's amazing, guys, what like fresh, you know, new rubber does. I mean, this thing is like, that's crazy. Look at that. That's amazing. That's why, like, people tell me, why do you put always tires? You know, why do you change tires so many times on your truck? It's amazing when you have fresh rubber, what it does, of just the ride quality on anything, on trucks, tractors, forklifts, anything. It's just like, makes it so smooth. So again, big shout out to Armando. Well, you can't even see the tires now, but we got it, the forklift pretty much ready to drive. I was just worried about because they were so beat up. But this is the next project on the list here. So this is what I bought for the toy hauler. So I can hook up the toy hauler. We went to Napa, grabbed a hitch, don't fit, it's too big. And we got some balls, those are gonna be too big for this. So we might use this one, I don't know, might have to go get another hitch. But, so what I'm gonna do, get a hitch for this thing. Hopefully this works. I'm pretty sure it will work to move the trailer around. But what I'm doing here is I want to do some sort of safety just to sort of keep the tension on this so it doesn't come off. I mean, these are tight, this is tight, this thing's pretty damn tight, you know, it shouldn't come off, but figure I put some safety chains here. I was gonna do it like this, but I don't like it this way just because in case something falls or hits this chain, so probably just gonna hook it. You know, I'm trying different things to do right now. I don't know if you guys have ever used one of these things, let me know. You know, it looks awesome, looks like it's gonna work great. I've never tried it before. I assume this thing can lift it. It's made to lift 5,000 pounds, so my trailer, you know, the tongue weight's, I don't know, probably 1,100, 1,200 pounds, you know, if that. So hopefully this works, and this is going to be the new way that I move the ding ding out there. But that's all I got for you guys today. Thank you guys for watching this video. If you guys like this video, don't forget to hit that thumbs up button. Don't forget to click subscribe. Peace.
Yeah.